Okay, so here's what we're doing. I know you're on this page because you just read the email about like this thing that you're probably wondering like, wait a minute, is this a little bit scammy? Like what's the $70,000 Christmas IT technology for a startup giveaway thing about? Okay, you guys know me, Jamie Amos, Ideal Practices CEO. You know we help more startups in dentistry than anybody. I can assure you what you're about to hear will blow your mind because of its integrity and its impact on your future. So what the people who on this video who I want to introduce you to are the geniuses of technology in dentistry. Ian from Legend, would you mind raising your hand?
Hey guys.
Ian is the CEO of Legend Networking, and then Travis Rogers, would you mind raising your hand? Travis is, you ever see The Wizard of Oz? Travis is like the wizard behind the curtain with all the technology in dentistry. Like you've ever heard of Dentrix, right? Hang on, heard of Dentrix, heard of EagleSoft, right? You have the other practice management softwares. Travis and his company, they build the software behind the scenes that allows all those pieces of software to speak to other pieces of technology. He's the guy, the CEO who has the software company that does all that magic. Ian is the guy from Legend Networking who does all the computers and the wiring and the security and the systems that build the structure of your technology in your startup in dentistry. That's Ian's company, fastest growing, biggest company with the best reputation in technology and dentistry. Okay, so why are you here?
Jamie, let me go first
because
yeah.
Oh, hang on, guys. So yeah, you as a viewer.
Moved down here from Phoenix for this. Literally, there's so much buzz in the industry about what these guys have going on, right? So you can see behind me all the stuff that Smiles for Christmas, and I mean he is got everybody in the dental industry buzzing about this. You know, no money in his pocket. It's a legitimate cause. I had to come down here and do it in person to legitimize it for myself because I don't back anything unless it's 100% backed.
I flew him in to legitimize
tell them a little bit about kind of your background, which kind of I think is an important thing here, and then a little bit more how they can get in touch.
Okay, so guys, a little bit about me. The reason that I started Smiles for Christmas was to bring awareness for kids that are going without things this Christmas. The dental community is big, and I know the reach is far, so I teamed up with Ideal Practice Solutions, and we came up with a $70,000 give. The reason Smiles for Christmas was created is because from a youth, I was abandoned. So 7 years old, 8 years old, 9 years old in the system, and then came out in my teenage years and raised myself from that point moving forward. Little success story, I'm proud to say. I'm the owner-operator of Legend Networking. We're a dental integrator. We build out new dental practices with technology, computers, servers, etc. We help existing practices upgrade and maintain their network infrastructure. So that's what we do here. So a little bit about the background, just to make the dental community aware of kids that are going without this here. And with Jamie's help and his team's help, we're able to do that.
Yeah,
so look here, this is what Ian has created.
Jamie, who I know you're going to be modest about this, has done more startups. So Jamie, you know more than anything, one of the biggest issues that they have is the cost of all the IT build out. So what Ian is generously giving here is a startup package. And if you walk around this office, you'll see there's some of the biggest names in the dental industry are here as far as dental offices where they're actually staging for this for large companies. So you guys are in good hands. Jamie, you know all the companies, all the startups that you've managed and through your group, how difficult that is. So.
Yep.
Yeah, the technology behind the scenes is not only complicated because it's always changing so fast. Ian's company at Legend is doing this thing called Smiles for Christmas. The big drawing, the big giveaway, so that his brains and his success are now bringing awareness to Smiles for Christmas. So I'm going to put the thing on the screen. So because you're here from reading an email, like, wow, how did I get involved in what I'm listening to right now? It's this. Look at the screen. It says at the top, it says grand prize over $70,000. This is compliments of Ian and Legend allowing their success to parlay into giving. What are they giving? Well, it's the Smiles for Christmas cause this Christmas, making better Christmases for kids all over the country. It's incredible. All you have to do, see the text at the bottom in the red letters, right? Text the word startup smile. It's one word. Text the word startup smile to the number 44222. Why is that? Well, this way, when you text the number, when you text the word Startup Smile to 44222, that will allow you to get registered into the drawing. It's almost like putting your name in the glass jar at a diner, right? That allows you to be put into the drawing so that you can participate in the $70,000 technology, which, like Travis just alluded to, in a startup, it's really freaking expensive to get all the right technology and not just have your brothers, sisters, brother-in-laws, cousins, cats,
the horror stories.
technology in your dental office. Let's do it the right way. Ian is going to fund it for one winner in the drawing. So text Startup Smile to 44222. And with that, Ian, I'll give you the last word.
Okay, guys, don't wait because this is over next Friday, the 20th. So I want you to stop what you're doing and text right away. If you're an associate doctor, get the blueprint on how to start up a practice. Get entered to win $70,000 worth of technology for your new practice. Once again, it's over on the 20th, next Friday. And text the word, guys, to win. Startup Smiles.
Right. Good luck, everybody. Have a great rest of the year.